Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an animated GIF in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Photopea, click on File in the top left corner and select New to create a new project, or Open to import an existing image. You can either import or create your layers for the animation, and each frame of your animation should be on a separate layer. Now we are going to name our layers for animation. To define a new frame, ensure that each layer's name starts with an underscore a and underscore. To set a custom delay for a frame, append a comma and a number to the layer name. Here is an example for 500 milliseconds. And if you have multiple animations and you want them to play simultaneously, you need to combine the layers into a single frame. To manually do it, you can merge each pair of the animation layer by going to Layer, then Merge Layers. And to automatically do it, place each animation in a folder. You can do this by going to Layer, Animation, then Merge to combine the frames. To preview your animation, simply go to View in the top menu and select Preview, or simply play the animation using the playback controls in the timeline panel if visible. And once you are satisfied with your animation, simply go to File and select Export As, then choose GIF, adjust the export settings if you need it, and ensuring the transparency option is set correctly. Then click Save to download your animated GIF, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make animated GIF in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.